This short video will introduce an idea. If you're not familiar with the idea, you may want to do more research. One must be careful when calculating the selling price of merchandise. When one thinks in terms of percentages, it's easy to underprice merchandise and end up losing money. Let's take a quick look at an example. Let's say we purchase 2 items from a wholesale distributor for resale. We have the goods shipped COD. There's 1 microphone and a dozen of guitar straps. We get invoiced. The microphone is invoiced at $85 and the guitar straps are invoiced at $3 each for a total of $36. The merchandise invoices at $121. It would be easy to look at the invoice and think of the cost of goods as $121, but you also paid $26.95 in shipping and handling and COD charges. You may want to determine the true or landed cost of the goods. To do so, add all of the additional costs and divide that figure by the total invoiced price of the goods. Let's determine the true cost of the goods we've ordered. We take the invoice price plus the shipping and handling plus the COD charge plus any other cost associated with getting that merchandise in the door and ready to sell, sometimes referred to as the landed price. In the case at hand, we take $14.95 plus $12. That totals $26.95 in additional charges. We divide the $26.95 by $121. That gives us 22.27%. So the true cost of each item is 22.27% higher than shown on the invoice. Can we prove that to be the case? If we multiply $121 by 1.2227 or 122.27%, the result is $147.95. That's the amount we wrote the COD check for. Now let's find the cost of the goods. The microphone was invoiced at $85. We take that times 1.2227. The actual cost of the microphone to us is $103.93. We got a dozen guitar straps at $36, or $3 each, times 1.2227 equals $3.67 each. Now we know the true cost of the goods, and we are ready to calculate the selling price. Be careful when calculating the selling price using percentages. The microphone is owned at a true cost of $103.93. Let's say we want a 40% markup. One might think this way: $103.95 times 1.40, equaling $120.30. Let's say the microphone lingers for a year. A serious buyer asks for a deal. You think, I'll get my investment back. Thinking you mark the microphone up 40%, you say, I'll give you 40% off, leaving 60% for you. So we take $120.30 times 0.6 and sell the microphone for $72.18. What just happened? You owned a microphone at $103.95 and sold it for $72.18. You just lost $31.77. How do you avoid this situation? If we divide the true cost by the reciprocal of the percent of profit you want to make, you get a gross profit margin. In other words, 103.95 divided by 0.6 equals $173.25. That's the amount that you would have to sell it for there to be a 40% profit. If you were able to sell the microphone for $173.25, then 40% of the selling price would be profit, and you would make $69.30. Hopefully this example has had value to you. In another video, I'll give you suggestions for printing the cost of an item on the price ticket or sign.